how to build AI agents with Google Gemini. If you want to build AI agents with Google Gemini, it's fairly simple for us to do so. So first of all, you can use Gemini on your PC or on your mobile phone. Building AI agents with Google Gemini involves choosing between no-code platforms like Google AI Studio and Notebook LM for rapid prototyping, or code-first developer tools like the Google Agent Development Kit, also known as ADK, and Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform for production and multi-agent systems. So now after you've done that, you can ground the memory and use Notebook LM to upload domain-specific documents, refine logic with Gemini by copying the instructions or generated system analysis from Notebook, and also paste your refined system instructions and context into Google AI Studio to launch a functional prototype using models like Gemini Flash Pro. And this way you can build AI agents with Google Gemini. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.